Are you dreaming of going outside and hanging out with your friends because you're bored of watching the same TV show over and over and over again? If so, then welcome to the club. I mean, who would have ever thought that watching TV all day long and being at home would be boring? Well, the novel coronavirus, aka COVID-19, has proved us all wrong. That is the coronavirus, and it's an infectious parasite. It's infected so many humans and animals, but no one really knows how it started. Well, here's a few theories. The first idea as to how this pandemic started is called the spillover infection. The spillover infection is when a virus spills over from one species to another. Spillover infections happen through mutations and variations in genes. Not all mutations of the parent virus will survive, but those that do can infect many. In fact, most major outbreaks known in history have occurred because of spillover infections. For this COVID-19 pandemic, most scientists believe that the coronavirus spilled over from bats. They say that the bats have directly spilled the virus over to humans and not through another species. This means that the virus spilled over because of direct contact between humans and bats. The second way as to how this may have started is a biowar. A biowar is basically when someone creates a virus. It's kind of like how a hacker creates a computer virus to attack your computer. But in this case, the computer virus is COVID-19, and the computers are us, human beings. But remember, we don't have any evidence, and nothing has been proven yet, so we can't be 100% sure.
But does this mean we can never stop the virus?
Well, not necessarily. See, medicines and vaccines can help us, but since vaccines do us the bigger favor here, let's take a closer look at how they can be developed. There are 4 main types of vaccines: live attenuated vaccines, inactivated vaccines, toxoid vaccines, and subunit and conjugate vaccines. Live attenuated vaccines are vaccines that are made with a weakened form of the germ that causes the disease. Inactivated vaccines are killed vaccines. They use the killed version of the germ that causes the disease. Toxoid vaccines are vaccines that use toxins made by the germ that causes the disease. Subunit and conjugate vaccines are vaccines that use specific parts of the germ to attack specific parts of the germ. All of these vaccines may seem different, but they all serve the same purpose: to evoke your immune system. By doing this, your immune system can recognize these pathogens and produce antibodies, so if the virus ever dares to come back, your immune system will destroy the pathogen before it can spread. Unfortunately, a medicine or vaccine has not yet been discovered, and these may take years to perfect. But just because we couldn't stop the virus from coming or staying, it doesn't mean that we cannot stop it from spreading. Here's how to protect yourself and others from the virus. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Avoid close contact with others. Cover your face when around others. Clean and disinfect surfaces. And stay up to date with the news. And remember, stay home and stay safe.